Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin. Will you be an angel for a helpless animal? Every day, innocent animals are abused, beaten, and neglected, and they're crying out for help. Please, call the number on your screen and join the BC SPCA with a monthly gift right now. For just $18 a month, only 60 cents a day, you'll help rescue animals from their abusers and provide medical care, food, shelter, and love. Call or join online in the next 30 minutes and you'll receive this welcome kit with the photo of an animal in the shelter right now, one who's been given a second chance, thanks to you. Right now, there's an animal who needs you. Your call says, I'm here to help. Please call right now.
Hello everyone, so sorry for showing you that video. Now most of us remember this Sarah McLaughlin animal cruelty commercial that aired in 2007, but why? Well, the answer, it's a strong emotional appeal tied to the commercial. The dramatic sad song Angel in the background, the videos of the animals who have been abused, these elements strike a nerve in viewers. Some viewers are sad for the animals, others are angry that this happened to them at all. But there is a call to action for viewers, a way they can help. Call now and join our cause by donating a monthly price and receive a photo of an animal you've given a second chance. Right now, there is an animal who needs you. Your call says, I'm here to help. I don't know about you, but seeing this commercial as a kid with no money absolutely destroyed me. How could I help these animals? Well, this is just one example of the extraordinary effect emotional appeal has on people. In this case, the goal was to make viewers feel sad and ignite a care for the animals that had been hurt, ultimately making you want to donate. But was the campaign successful? You bet. Within the first 2 years of its release, more than $30 million was donated to stop animal cruelty to the ASPCA. But does emotional appeal have to be sad to elicit a response? Absolutely not. Emotional appeal advertising can target a wide range of emotions, not just sadness. Brands can tailor their ads around emotions such as happiness and joy, fear, sadness and compassion, excitement and adventurousness, trust and security, nostalgia, love and affection, pride and confidence, surprise and shock, anger, hope and optimism, guilt and shame, and awe and wonder. This next example will hopefully help you forget the last and show you a different emotional approach to advertising.
Hey, brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. Hey, brother, know the water's sweet, but blood is thicker. Oh, the sky comes falling down for you. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. What if I'm far from home? Oh, brother, I will hear you call. If the sky comes falling down for you, there's nothing in this world I wouldn't do.
A little bit more lighthearted than the last one, but this advertisement from Coca-Cola depicts two brothers in their relationship. The little brother is often messed with by the older brother, but in the end, they're still connected by their love for one another. This commercial gives a sense of joy to viewers, and for those of us with siblings, we might even relate to the ad. Just like the previous commercial, this advertisement uses music and visuals which follow the tone of the ad to ignite feelings in us. Emotional appeal is used in a variety of things. Some key areas where it is commonly applied include advertising campaigns, brand messaging, product packaging and design, email marketing, customer testimonials and reviews, events and experiences, cause-related marketing, crisis management and public relations, website and user experience design, social media marketing, content marketing, employee engagement and internal communications, customer service and support, reputation management, and influencer collaborations. But what exactly is emotional appeal, and how is it useful for marketing? Well, emotional appeal is a persuasive technique of emotional manipulation that appeals to the emotions of an audience rather than using logic or facts. Not to say they are completely void of these elements, but but it seeks to stir up feelings in viewers or listeners, so they are more likely to respond positively to a message. Emotional appeal advertising is a type of marketing that focuses on eliciting emotional responses from an audience rather than relying on logical arguments. Such types of advertising often incorporate pathos, emotional content or appeal, to make more emotional connections with consumers. Emotional appeal is crucial in marketing for several reasons. First, it creates connection and engagement. Emotions are a powerful way to establish a connection with consumers. When people feel emotionally connected to a brand, they are more likely to engage with its content, products, and services. Next, it can drive brand loyalty. Brands that evoke positive emotions tend to build a stronger and more loyal customer base. Customers who feel emotionally attached to a brand are more likely to become repeat buyers and advocates. It can also influence purchase decisions. Studies have shown that emotions often play a more significant role in purchase decisions than rational thought. Consumers are more likely to buy a product or service if it makes them feel a certain way, such as happy, confident, or as we just saw, sad. It can also enhance brand recall. Emotions make information more memorable. When a brand elicits a strong emotional response, it becomes more likely to be remembered amidst the sea of advertising messages consumers encounter each day. Next, it can make you different from your competitors. Emotional appeal can be a powerful differentiator in a competitive market. If a brand can evoke a unique and positive emotion in its audience, it sets itself apart from competitors who may or may not have the same emotional impact. It can create brand advocates. Customers who have positive emotional experiences with the brand are more likely to become advocates. They share their positive experience with friends, family, and even on social media, effectively becoming unpaid brand ambassadors. Emotional appeal can mitigate price sensitivity. When consumers form emotional connections with the brand, they are often less price sensitive. They may be willing to pay a premium for a product or service that they associate with positive emotions. It can also drive customer satisfaction. Emotionally satisfied customers are more likely to have positive experiences with the brand. This can lead to higher customer satisfaction scores, positive reviews, and improved word-of-mouth referrals. It also fosters trust and credibility. When a brand can evoke positive emotions, it builds trust and credibility with its audience. Consumers feel confident in their decision to choose that brand over others. Also, it resonates across culture and languages. Emotions are a universal language. Brands that can tap into fundamental emotions can often resonate with global audiences, transcending culture and linguistic barriers. It can also encourage customer advocacy. Customers who feel emotionally connected to a brand are more likely to defend it in the face of criticism and actively promote it to others. Lastly, emotional appeal can support long-term relationships. Emotional connections are the foundation of long-term, sustainable relationships with customers. These relationships can weather market fluctuations and changes in consumer preferences. So, in conclusion, emotional appeal is vital in marketing because it taps into the human experience, creating a deeper, more meaningful connection between brands and consumers. When done effectively, it can lead to increased customer loyalty, advocacy, and ultimately, business success. We've seen how it can create strong connections between brands and consumers, influencing purchase decisions, driving brand loyalty, and even inspiring social change. In a world saturated with information, it's the emotional impact that leaves a lasting impression. Thank you. Goodbye.